Impact windows. Miami-Dade County installation is one of the most effective upgrades for long-term storm readiness, energy savings, and property protection. In a market like Miami, Florida, where hurricane season drives urgent home improvement decisions, choosing the best impact windows for hurricane protection can help safeguard single-family homes, condos, and high-rise residences across Coral Gables, Brickell, Coconut Grove, Kendall, Doral, South Miami, Pinecrest, and Miami Beach. How impact windows protect Miami homes comes down to laminated glass construction, reinforced frames, and code-compliant installation that helps resist flying debris, intruder entry, and severe wind pressure. For homeowners comparing impact windows versus hurricane shutters, the advantage is clear. Impact glass offers daily convenience, curb appeal, and year-round protection without the hassle of removable coverings. Understanding the cost factors for impact windows. Miami is essential before starting any project. Pricing is influenced by frame materials, glass type, building height, permit requirements for impact window installation in Miami, labor complexity, and whether the home is a simple residence or a condo with association rules. Impact windows for condos in Miami, Florida, especially in Brickell, Sunny Isles Beach, and downtown Miami, may require extra approval steps, while impact windows for single-family homes in Miami often move faster through planning and installation. Homeowners in Aventura, Bal Harbour, Key Biscayne, and Surfside looking at premium homes or oceanfront properties should also evaluate salt air resistance, wind ratings, and impact window warranties, and what they cover to avoid surprise replacement costs later. Impact window energy efficiency in humid climates is a major reason South Florida residents upgrade older glass. In neighborhoods like South Miami, Westchester, Miami Springs, and Hialeah, impact windows for energy savings in South Florida can reduce heat transfer, improve indoor comfort, and support lower cooling demand during long summers. The impact window insulation benefits in Miami weather are especially valuable when paired with low-E coatings and quality frame systems that help stabilize interior temperatures. For homeowners asking when to replace old windows with impact windows, signs like fogging, air leaks, warping, rising electric bills, and storm vulnerability usually indicate it is time to upgrade. Impact windows increase home value while also improving buyer appeal in competitive markets like Pinecrest, luxury homes, and Coral Gables home improvement projects. How impact windows Miami glass resists storm damage is a core reason these products remain the preferred choice for hurricane protection in coastal Florida. The laminated interlayer holds shattered glass in place during severe wind events, helping reduce water intrusion, interior damage, and dangerous flying shards. That protection matters in high-risk zones such as Miami Beach, salt air resistance areas, Key Biscayne oceanfront properties, and impact windows. Cutler Bay weatherproofing projects where storms and moisture can be relentless. For homeowners seeking impact windows for hurricane season readiness, the combination of reinforced glazing, strong sealants, and professional anchoring creates a dependable barrier against changing weather conditions throughout Miami-Dade County installation zones. How to choose impact windows for coastal homes depends on more than appearance. Homeowners in Coconut Grove coastal homes, Miami Beach, Bal Harbour, Surfside, and Sunny Isles Beach should evaluate design pressure ratings, frame materials, glass thickness, and coastal corrosion resistance. Impact window frame materials explained typically includes aluminum, vinyl, and engineered options, each with different strengths for durability, insulation, and maintenance. In salt-heavy environments, corrosion-resistant finishes and proper drainage become critical. For impact windows, South Miami Energy Efficiency, or Impact Windows, Kendall Hurricane Protection, the ideal system balances storm performance, thermal control, and aesthetics. This is especially true for luxury properties in Pinecrest and high-exposure homes in Key Biscayne, where performance and appearance both matter. Impact Windows Miami soundproofing benefits are often overlooked, but highly valuable in dense urban and flight path areas. In Brickell high-rise condos, downtown Miami commercial buildings, and Impact Windows Little Havana home upgrades, laminated glass can help reduce street noise, construction noise, and traffic sound for a more comfortable interior. This is also useful for Impact Windows North Miami contractor services and Impact Windows Opa Locka neighborhood service projects where busy corridors create constant background noise. For households near nightlife, highways, or airports, sound control can be just as important as hurricane defense, making Impact Windows a smart all-around investment for quality of life. Impact Windows maintenance tips for Florida homeowners are simple but important for long-term performance. Regular cleaning of frames and tracks, checking seals for wear, keeping drainage paths clear, and inspecting caulking after heavy storms can extend the life of the system. In coastal cities like Miami Beach, Aventura, and Key Biscayne, owners should rinse salt residue more often to protect finishes and hardware. What to know before installing Impact Windows includes understanding that proper care starts after installation, not just before it. Homeowners in Impact Windows, Homestead Hurricane Preparedness Projects, or Impact Windows. Florida City home renovation plans should also store warranty documents, schedule periodic inspections, and confirm that any maintenance keeps the product compliant with manufacturer requirements. Permit requirements for Impact window installation in Miami can affect timelines, especially in older homes and condo communities with strict review standards. Local code compliance in Miami-Dade is non-negotiable, and projects must align with hurricane-related product approvals, structural specifications, and inspection procedures. Impact window code compliance in Miami-Dade helps ensure that the installation meets current wind load and safety standards, which is especially important in Impact Windows, Brickell high-rise condos, Impact Windows, Sunny Isles Beach condo regulations, and Impact Windows downtown Miami commercial buildings. Whether replacing windows in Doral, Palmetto Bay residential projects, or Westchester, Florida homeowners, working with a contractor familiar with local permitting helps avoid delays and costly rework. How to prepare your home for Impact window installation can make the project smoother and faster. Before crews arrive, homeowners should clear window access, remove fragile items, coordinate with property management if needed, and confirm any HOA or condo approvals. This is especially relevant for Impact Windows Miami-Dade County installation in high-density areas like Brickell, downtown, and Sunny Isles Beach, where building access and scheduling can be more complex. In suburban communities such as Kendall, Doral, Cutler Bay, and Homestead, preparation also includes discussing room-by-room installation order and making plans for temporary dust control. For Impact Windows, Coral Gables Home Improvement, or Impact Windows Coconut Grove Coastal Homes, advanced planning improves efficiency and reduces disruption. How Impact Windows reduce insurance risk is another major driver behind the switch from standard glass to impact-rated systems. By lowering the likelihood of storm damage, water intrusion, and window failure, these upgrades may help support better underwriting outcomes in hurricane-prone regions. For Impact Windows for hurricane season readiness in Miami, the long-term value extends beyond protection because insurers often view stronger openings as a meaningful risk reduction measure. Homeowners in Impact Windows, Kendall Hurricane Protection, Impact Windows, Aventura Storm Protection, Impact Windows, Homestead Hurricane Preparedness, and Impact Windows Palmetto Bay residential projects often pursue upgrades to align with both safety goals and financial planning. When combined with Impact Windows, increase home value and lower maintenance demands, the return becomes even more compelling.